Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Before proceeding, ensure your computer is in service mode. To enter service mode, press and hold the B key on the keyboard and then press the power button. Now, the computer will boot up and the owner tag information is displayed on the screen. Press any key to proceed. The computer will emit 3 short beeps and shut down, indicating it has entered the service mode. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 9 screws on the base cover. Pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges to remove it. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw or screws securing it. Unlatch the drive and remove the screw. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, install the screw and relatch the drive to the system. Tighten the screw or screws to secure it. Secure the base cover with the 9 screws. To exit service mode, connect the AC adapter and press the power button. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.